Welcome to Rayline Factory. Today our engineer oven will show you how to cut on uneven plates. Oven is simply parameterized in the CNC system and placed a piece of metal plate unevenly so that one side of the plate is high and the other side is low. Let's check how Rayline's CNC cutting machine can cut intelligently. Yes, the CNC cutting machine moves and cuts along the height of the metal plate. High cutting precision, suitable for cutting a variety of metal materials. Intelligent layout, reducing production costs. Rayline CNC cutting machine is equipped with automatic height adjustment, which completes the cutting very well. Welcome to visit Rayline's factory.